This is a simple and quite effective daily Forex strategy. By using this trading strategy, you will be provided with two signals that you can use to enter the market. To place a buy entry, you can utilize the buy signal and the strong buy signal. The buy signal is a standard buy signal, while the strong buy signal is considered to have a better performance compared to the standard buy signal. Similarly, there are sell signals and strong sell signals, where the sell signal is a standard sell signal, while the strong sell signal is considered to be better than the standard sell signal. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. The indicator I will use this time is the Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal Indicator. To use it, simply go to TradingView, then navigate to the Indicator Search tab and type Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal. Select the Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal by Lukas. Now, go to the settings of the Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal Indicator. In the Input tab, leave it at the default settings. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the check marks on Spec Buy, Spec Sell, Bear Sign, and Bull Sign, then click OK. The Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal Indicator has a unique characteristic compared to other indicators. This indicator can only be used if you are trading in the Forex market. If you are trading in the gold or crypto markets, this indicator will not provide any signals. This limitation is due to the indicator's reliance on price action, RSI, and correlation with major Forex pairs. That's why the indicator won't function if applied to markets other than the Forex market. As mentioned earlier, you can utilize four signals when using this indicator, including strong buy, strong sell, and sell. You can enter a trade if any of these signals appear. However, as usual, this indicator is not meant to work in isolation. Therefore, let's now incorporate another indicator to serve as a trend guide in the market. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type Moving Average Adaptive Q. Select Moving Average Adaptive Q from Cheatcountry. Now, go to the settings of the Moving Average Adaptive Indicator. In the Input tab, leave it at the default settings. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the checkmark on the Bar Color tab, then click OK. The Moving Average Adaptive Q indicator operates similarly to typical trend indicators. If the trend line is red, it indicates a bearish trend, while if the trend line is green, it signals a bullish trend. Now let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders if you want to use this indicator. How to place a buy entry. 1. If the trend line from the Moving Average Adaptive Q is green, it signifies a bullish trend, and your focus is to find the best entry point for a buy. 2. Wait for the Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal Indicator to provide a buy or strong buy signal. 3. Once the buy or strong buy signal appears, ensure that the formed candlestick is bullish. 4. If all conditions are met, you can enter a buy trade after the bullish candlestick is closed. 5. Place a stop loss at the latest swing low. 6. Target a take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell entry. 1. If the trend line from the Moving Average Adaptive Q is red, it signifies a bearish trend, and your focus is to find the best entry point for a sell. 2. Wait for the Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal Indicator to provide a sell or strong sell signal. 3. Once the sell or strong sell signal appears, ensure that the formed candlestick is bearish. 4. If all conditions are met, you can enter a sell trade after the bearish candlestick is closed. 5. Place a stop loss at the latest swing high. 6. Target a take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. That concludes this video, and I'll see you in the next one.